start wrapping around, get the glue off, the excess glue there, and just start wrapping around like this, diagonally, one way, and then across that way, and then you're ready to go down all the way around. And you don't have to glue all the way down the stick. That's not necessary. If you pull it tight enough, it's going to stay just fine. And go ahead and wrap it. Do wrap it nice and tight though, so that you get good coverage all the way down. And when you get just about to the bottom, you're going to want to put some more glue, another dot of glue, and then wrap it around. And then you're going to cut it off, and then you're going to probably need a little bit more glue around to get it to stay. And you push it down like that, and then you're going to trim the edge like that. And there you have the bottom.